This is the 11th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is the harder set of math questions. And for this one, I'm not going to give you much explanation. I'm going to solve it for you because we want to keep this video short. See the longer video above this on Test 2 Module 2B for the playlist for IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube to see more explanation. But we've got 32 cups of vegetable broth, and Keenan filled X small jars. So the number of small jars he filled is X, and Y large jars. The number of large jars he filled is Y. So these two answer choices are wrong because it's asking for 5Y. Now, if you think about it, if Y is the number of large jars, if he did one large jar, then 5Y is going to give you 5. If he did two large jars, 5Y is going to give you 10. So that is going to be the total number of large jars, 5Y. Also, you know Y is attached to large jars, so it wouldn't make sense that it's associated with small jars. And if you don't know that, 3Y would be, 3X, because X is the number of small jars, would be that result. So C is your answer. See the following video. I told you. Have a great day.